What's up? Ça passe? ¿Cómo ça va? ¿Cómo está? Ni ha ma. I'm doing great. And as long as I have my health and I can breathe on my own, I'm great. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna introduce you guys to my husband. He's been making me laugh all morning.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
How you doing? Yeah, eat some popcorn, you know?
We're eating some popcorn.
Eat some popcorn. Yeah, some popcorn. How you guys doing today?
Okay. So today is couples therapy. We want to talk about when we say yes to people and then we didn't really want to say yes. What do you think about that? Let them know. Let my kids know.
Yeah, when you say yes to people and you really didn't want to say yes, you know? I think that if you know you didn't want to say yes, I think that's a challenge, a mental challenge.
But who are we hurting? Do we hurt ourselves or do we hurt the other people?
Yeah, you guys hurt yourself. You don't hurt the other person, you hurt yourself. Yeah, you hurt yourself a lot.
Well then, does that make you a liar?
Yes, that make you a liar, a big fat liar.
Even if you did it for the person, but you didn't really want to do it. Does that make you a liar?
Yeah, that make you a liar.
A liar to who?
You're a liar to the most high.
I thought you were gonna say it to yourself. But you're right, a liar to the Most High, right?
You're a liar to the most high, you know? Liar to the thing now.
So why can't people just be honest and be like, no, I don't want to do it?
I don't know.
You know.
They got a soft heart, you know? You have a soft heart.
You have a soft heart and you're lying
They want
to yourself. That means you don't love yourself.
They want soft.
So a soft heart means what?
Means say I can't lie. Once your heart soft, you lie, you know? I will lie.
Oh, okay, sorry. What soft heart mean? When you say somebody have a soft heart, what do you mean by that?
That means
A bad heart?
That means
You a mushy mushy?
no, that don't mean
People can use you as a doormat?
people can use it as a doormat, you know. Yeah, you're right, something like that. Cause your heart soft, you know, so people can bounce you around all about cause you're too kind.
But it's not kind because you didn't want to do it.
But you still do it.
That's kindness?
Yeah, that's kindness. Yeah,
That's
man.
not kindness.
Yeah, man, that's kindness. Yeah,
You
man,
didn't do it with all your heart.
cause you still do it.
But you didn't do it with all your heart.
But once you still do it, you still make an effort.
An effort to please the person.
Yeah, the Lord.
Not to please yourself.
To please the person, yeah, then I will really go and please yourself.
Yes.
Why you never please yourself then?
I am pleasing myself right now. I'm eating popcorn. And I'm hanging with my Bam Bam. Everybody, this is my Bam Bam. Yeah. And yes, we're going to do it like this is science class. Science is all about connecting. Alright? We're connecting right now.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Alright, so I want to thank you all for watching. We're eating popcorn.
We're eating popcorn over here, you understand?
Subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you all.
And I will see you
Weird.
in the next video.
I'll see you in the next video, yeah?
Ciao.
Ciao. God bless her.